Hello and welcome back to our channel Finance for Beginners. Today in this video I am going to show you how to download or install Libertex app in your device. Libertex app is an online trading platform that allows users to trade CFDs on variety of financial instruments. Now moving on to the video, first of all go to your Play Store or App Store. Then search Libertex. There you can see Libertex Trade Stock. Tap on it, then press Install. It might take a while to install the app depending upon your internet speed. Once the app has been installed, open Libertex app for a platform for traders with CFDs trading on variety of assets. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.